Imagine cutting your development time by 90% with these AI tools. This isn't a distant future. It's happening right now with AI-assisted environments. AI tools are transforming software development, automating repetitive tasks, and providing intelligent code suggestions. This shift is revolutionizing the industry. Traditional coding environments are evolving into AI-assisted platforms. GitHub Copilot, for example, can auto-generate code snippets, significantly boosting efficiency. AI tools can reduce development cycles drastically. Developers are now able to focus more on creative tasks rather than routine coding. With AI, the tedious parts of coding are automated, allowing developers to complete projects faster. This shift is evident with tools like GitHub Copilot. Consider the traditional coding process versus an AI-assisted one. The difference is clear, with AI providing a smoother and more efficient workflow. As AI continues to evolve, its role in development will only expand, making it an indispensable tool for developers worldwide. AI-powered code generation tools like Tabnine and Kite are revolutionizing the way developers write code. These tools use machine learning models to provide real-time code predictions, helping developers work more efficiently. Tools like Tabnine and Kite leverage massive code bases to suggest code completions, which can reduce coding time by up to 80%. Imagine the time saved when a developer doesn't have to write every line from scratch. Developers often start with a blank slate, but with AI tools, they can receive suggestions as they type, making the process seamless. This not only speeds up development, but also reduces errors. Let's compare a developer's workflow with and without AI code generation. With AI, developers can focus more on problem solving rather than syntax, reducing their cognitive load. For instance, a developer using Tabnine can complete a complex function in a fraction of the time it would take manually. This efficiency allows for faster project completion and more time for innovation. Beyond just speed, AI tools help in maintaining code quality by suggesting best practices and potential improvements. This ensures that the code is not only fast, but also robust. In the end, AI-powered code generation is not about replacing developers, but empowering them to focus on more creative tasks while the AI handles repetitive coding chores. In the world of software development, automated testing and debugging have become game changers. Tools like Deepcode and Snyk use artificial intelligence to streamline these processes, identifying bugs and vulnerabilities with remarkable precision. Deepcode analyzes code bases to find potential bugs, using AI to understand the context and patterns within the code. This allows developers to catch issues early, avoiding costly errors down the line. Snyk, on the other hand, focuses on uncovering security vulnerabilities, ensuring that code remains secure from external threats. This robust tool helps developers maintain a secure code base with minimal effort. These AI tools can identify bugs and vulnerabilities with up to 90% accuracy. This significantly reduces the need for extensive manual testing, saving developers weeks of valuable time. By automating these processes, developers can focus more on creating innovative features rather than spending countless hours debugging. This shift not only enhances productivity, but also boosts morale. Imagine the impact of saving weeks of development time. AI-driven testing not only accelerates the development cycle, but also improves the overall quality and reliability of software products. Embracing AI tools like Deepcode and Snyk is not just a trend, but a necessity for modern developers aiming for efficiency and effectiveness in their workflow. In today's fast-paced world, project management is more crucial than ever. AI-driven tools like Asana and Monday.com are transforming how teams manage workflows, making processes more efficient and reducing project completion times significantly. AI tools can predict project timelines with remarkable accuracy, allowing managers to allocate tasks more effectively. This predictive capability can cut project durations by 50% or more, a game changer for productivity. These tools not only forecast timelines, but also optimize task allocation. By analyzing team members' strengths and workload, they ensure that the right task is assigned to the right person, boosting overall efficiency. Statistics show that teams using AI-driven project management tools see a 30% increase in productivity. This improvement is a direct result of better task management and resource allocation. Let's compare traditional project management with AI-enhanced methods. The difference in efficiency and completion times is stark, with AI methods clearly coming out on top. AI tools not only streamline processes, but also provide valuable insights into project progress. This allows for timely interventions and adjustments, ensuring projects stay on track. In summary, integrating AI into project management not only enhances efficiency, but also drives significant improvements in productivity and project outcomes. AI tools like CodeGuru and DeepCode are revolutionizing the way developers perform code reviews. These tools can automatically detect issues and suggest improvements, significantly enhancing the efficiency of the review process. By employing AI in code review processes, companies have seen a reduction in review time by 40 to 60%. This leads to faster development cycles and higher code quality. Imagine a developer using AI to spot potential bugs before they become costly issues. This proactive approach not only saves time, but also enhances the reliability of the software. Tools like CodeGuru analyze your code and offer suggestions to optimize performance. This can include identifying inefficient code patterns or recommending best practices. One company integrated DeepCode into their review process and experienced a noticeable improvement in their code quality and review speed. They reported a marked decrease in post-release bugs. AI-enhanced code review tools help teams focus on more complex issues by handling repetitive tasks automatically. This allows developers to allocate their time more effectively. As more organizations adopt these AI tools, the industry standard for code quality and review efficiency continues to rise, setting a new benchmark for development processes. Natural language processing, or NLP, is transforming how developers handle documentation. With tools like Grammarly and GPT-3, AI can automatically generate and enhance code documentation, making it both swift and accurate. Imagine a world where developers spend 70% less time writing documentation. That's the power of NLP tools like GPT-3, which seamlessly integrate with your workflow to create comprehensive documentation in a fraction of the time. Before NLP, developers would manually write detailed explanations and comments for their code. This process was time-consuming and often inconsistent. Now, with AI, documentation is generated automatically, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Let's look at a specific example. Before using AI, a developer might spend hours documenting a complex function. With AI, this process is streamlined, allowing the developer to focus more on coding and less on documentation. These AI tools not only save time, but also ensure that documentation is comprehensive and up to date. This means fewer errors and miscommunications when sharing code within teams. In a typical scenario before NLP, developers might have to double-check their documentation for errors, which could lead to delays. Now AI handles this, reducing the chance of errors significantly. The integration of NLP in documentation tools is just one of the many ways AI is reshaping software development. By reducing the time and effort required for documentation, developers can focus on what they do best, writing great code. In today's fast-paced development environment, integrating AI tools can significantly enhance productivity. By collaborating with AI, developers can focus on creative tasks while AI handles repetitive chores. One standout example of human-AI collaboration is using AI to automate up to 90% of repetitive coding tasks. This allows developers to dedicate more time to innovation and problem-solving. Consider the hybrid workflow where AI tools assist in debugging code. Developers can identify issues faster and implement solutions more efficiently, resulting in significant time savings. To integrate AI tools effectively, start by identifying tasks that are time-consuming and repetitive. AI excels at handling these, freeing you to focus on complex problem-solving. Incorporating AI into existing workflows requires a strategic approach. Begin with small projects to understand AI's capabilities and gradually scale up as you become more comfortable. Real-world examples show that when developers embrace AI, they can achieve a harmonious balance between human creativity and AI efficiency, resulting in more innovative solutions. To foster successful human-AI collaboration, developers should remain open to learning and adapting as AI technology continues to evolve rapidly. Start with integrating an AI-powered code generation tool like GitHub Copilot or Tab9 first, as they offer the most immediate and significant reduction in coding time by suggesting entire code snippets based on context, effectively automating up to 80% of routine coding tasks. Across this video, we've explored various AI tools that enhance different aspects of software development, from code generation to project management, ensuring developers can work smarter, not harder. For a substantial boost in productivity, start with GitHub Copilot to automate routine coding tasks and free up time for creative problem solving.